Hello there, thanks for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to show you how I made this creamy and moisturizing body wash for myself. I decided to share this recipe just in case you want to try it. So the ingredients I'm using is water, and then I'm also using glycerin, which is a humectant, my surfactant, Cocoglucoside, then Cocobentaine, and then I have my African black soap mix here. Now I also have Crothix as a thickener, and then my Shea Butter, I melted it, so that is what we have here, Shea Butter. Then I have my fragrance, vanilla, and let's start. So I measure about 20% of 20 ml of the water, and then I measure about 5 ml of the glycerin. The next thing I measure is the Cocobentaine, which is 10 ml, and also the Cocoglucoside, which is 5 ml. Now I go ahead with the African black soap, 35 ml, and this is what we have. So this is quite different. I'm also adding the Crothix thickener. This is what will thicken the body wash. Now my body wash formulation is a bit different from a shampoo formulation, because for a body wash you have to add more surfactants to it. That is the major difference, and also you have to use oils that are moisturizing for the body. Now I'm adding my shea butter. I'll say shea oil. It's not shea oil, it's shea butter. I melted it. That is why it is that's it's in a light form. I mean, it's in liquid form. So the next thing I add is the fragrance, and then this is what we have. So you can see that after I added the oil, the whole thing changed color a bit. So I'm gonna leave this for a while and then add my xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is to also boost or to make it thicker more. I decided to use both Crothix and xanthan gum as to thicken it. So that is what we have here. So I'm gonna leave it for some time, and then this is what we have. This is so light, but leaving it for some time, and let's see how it goes. So this is actually the their body wash now. This is very thick, like a real body wash, guys. And it is super moisturizing because of the oil that I added to it, the shea butter that I added to it. And this is how creamy it is. So I just decided to let me test it out just so you see how creamy and how foamy it gets. And this is how it is. I used it on myself and I liked it. I'll be trying more of other body washes, and I'll be sharing them here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please like it, and if you have any other questions or comments, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be very, very glad to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.